Okay, so today we're going to talk about the Ventcore USA StealthGear holster or the Ruger LCP. This is the box that it came in. It's very stylish. I like it. This is the holster here. Very small. It's very small and compact. It's that hard Kydex. It's 100% made in the USA. Have these belt clips here that just goes right over your belt instead of sliding through, so you can pop it on and pop it off at will. And for your retention settings, it's going to be just right here in underneath those clips, and then you can cant these clips depending on what your needs are. So you can ride them straight up and down, or you can ride them out to the sides. Now, these things are actually all handmade. See those clips there? They're actually all handmade here in the USA, and because of that, it's about a 30-day lead time. Unless when you order, they actually have some already made in stock in your particular firearm. So you can get this particular holster here all the way up to a full size, say H&K. You need it to, but it'll look just like this. It's just gonna be different depending on the gun that you get. This one here is for Ruger LCP, and it's a 380, and this is what Veronica pretty much carries. However, it does fit my DB9 as well, and so I use it sometimes depending on what it is. A lot of the times with shorts or something like that when it's hot out. Speaking of when it's hot out, what I love about this is that it has this cushion on the back that goes up against your skin. However, on the inside, it's hard. It's hard, so when you put your gun in, you're not going to get that that cheap material that'll push all the way through and into your gun. So you're pretty much safe, even though the guns today are safe, and they have all of the different safety mechanisms to keep you safe and keep others safe around you. Now you can get these carbon fiber, you can get the black and white flag, you can get the thin blue line, you can get the Texas flag if you want it, you can get the thin blue line to where it's barely visible blue as well. Get a lot of different options as far as what they come with. You can also get them in sniper gray, you can get them in OD green, you can get them in urban camo, you can get them in hex cam, Spectra 13, you can get that Cryptek, you can get that digital ammo, you can get that digital camo. You can use whatever it is that you like. I just like straight black. If you're like me, you've gone through a bunch of different holsters. I think that these are the guys that I found, and I'm pretty much going to be using these guys from now on. So let's take a look. This is the Ruger LCP. As you see, is empty. Magazine, empty. Slides right in. And as you see, this retention set for my DB9, it still doesn't slide out. I'm gonna push it down just a little bit more. And there you go. Doesn't fall out. Fits perfect in there. You can see how it's molded to the gun. Covers the trigger well so that you're safe, and just slides right in, right out. Putting some force on it, pulling it out. So you can put even more if you wanted to. I usually have it cranked down on my DB9, but it's a little bit slightly bigger than this Ruger. Like I said, they're built for each gun, and when you're wearing shorts, there you go. So there you have it right there. It's StealthGear USA Ventcore. Comes in this black oxide stainless steel fasteners right there, so they're not going to rust out on you. It's that injection mold polymer grips or polymer clips. So these actually hang right onto your belt so as to not come out when you're drawing, and it just keeps everything where it's supposed to be. They're custom designed for each handgun model. They have 30 plus components, and they are hand built in the USA. So there you go, Ventcore Appendix by StealthGear USA. So you guys have fun. Have a great day. Okay, so that's what it looks like with the actual holster and the Ruger LCP actually put in where it's supposed to be as far as appendix carry goes. And as you see, there is zero print at all whatsoever, so it's not going to alarm anyone. And then when you lift up, there it is, it's right there. So there and there, and the retention on the holster looks perfect, or it feels perfect. It's the same thing that I love as far as comfortability. And then when you pull, and then you're just right on target. Easy, put it away, lift, clicks in, shirt back on. There you go. Thank you guys, and have a great day.